In this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 Cupra models. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. If you didn't already know, Cupra was a name given to the top-of-the-line high-performance cars in the seat lineup when they were first introduced. Cupra is an abbreviation for Cup Racing and is an homage to Seat's prowess in motorsports that inspired the name. A Spanish automobile manufacturer, Cupra Racing, formerly known as Seat Sport, is the high-performance motorsport subsidiary of the Spanish automobile manufacturer Seat. It was established in 1985 after a decade of work by the Seat Special Vehicles Department, which was established in 1971 to ensure the brand's participation in rally competitions. Cupra's journey officially begins in 1996 with the release of Cupra. Seat, on the other hand, has a long and illustrious racing history that began in the 1970s with rallying cars. In February 2018, the Cupra brand was officially established as a separate entity from Seat, with a new logo and a new set of marketing principles centered on a passion for motorsports and the outdoors. Racing and motorsports, fashion, lifestyle, and culture are some of the topics covered. Those with a burning desire to build this new brand originated from within themselves, from their restless and courageous spirits, from their willingness to dare and take chances, from their ability to be true masters of their art. The new sign, which is composed of 2 overlapping symmetrical C's, will take the place of the conventional Seat S and will be worn as a marquee emblem by all of the newly launched sub-automobile brands models going forward. The creation of a distinct and strong emblem, according to the company's designers, was important in helping to establish Cupra as a legitimate autonomous brand of Seat, which is today owned by the Volkswagen Group. It goes well beyond a mere logo, says the author. It serves as a symbol. The Cupra logo symbolizes a sense of belonging to a clan, namely the Cupra clan, says Jordi Font, Seat's head of color and trim. The mentality of tribal civilizations, as well as their fearless and daring, was the inspiration for the design of the inverted triangle, he continues. The copper color of the emblem is also believed to have been designed following an in-depth analysis undertaken by the Seat design team, according to the manufacturer. Besides petrol blue, another color that identifies the brand is a blend of cyan and traces of black that, according to Font, emphasizes the brand's identity. Number 5. Cupra Leon. Even though the Leon is also offered as a seat, when Cupra gets its hands on the hatchback, it injects it with a healthier dosage of more performance as well as a racier design to go with. Although it retains all of the practicality of the regular Leon, the Cupra also offered with a wide range of powertrain options, including powerful 242 bhp and 296 bhp petrol engines, the latter of which can propel the Leon from 0 to 60 in just 5.5 seconds. The Cupra is available with a variety of transmission options, including a manual transmission. Additionally, Cupra offers a plug-in hybrid variant with a 35-mile electric range that provides an excellent balance of performance and efficiency. It's also worth considering the Cupra Leon if you're looking for something fast, exciting, and tiny. Number 4. Cupra Leon Estate. Take a look at the Estate version of the Leon if the Leon is your favorite, but you require a little more interior space. Because of its extended shape, it provides a significantly larger boot, making it a far more practical option. It may also be a more attractive option depending on your point of view. The available powertrains are likewise different from those of the hatch, with only the aforementioned plug-in hybrid and the powerful 306 bhp 2.0-liter petrol engine being offered. The latter also has 4-wheel drive. It is the only Leon with this feature and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in only 4.7 seconds, making it the fastest of the bunch. Number 3. Cupra Formentor. Although it has only been on sale for a few months, Cupra's first and presently only standalone model, the Formentor, is an extremely important vehicle for the Spanish manufacturer and is already proving popular. However, although it is based on the same platform as other Volkswagen Group cars of a similar size, Cupra was given more latitude in terms of design, which resulted in the Formentor's elegant, almost coupe-like appearance. It's one of the greatest SUVs available at this end of the spectrum, thanks to the extensive kit levels, a lively driving experience, and a diverse variety of petrol and plug-in hybrid engines. The Formentor, on the other hand, is longer and lower than the Ateca used for school runs, giving it a more butch attitude. In person, it's a stunning machine, prompting one member of the Top Gear team to marvel aloud how Cupra was permitted to smuggle out a design that's so much more refined than Lamborghini's Urus. In this class, appearances are everything, and the Cupra will benefit from this. The Formentor engine choices aren't quite as spicy as you might expect based on all of the sports advertising you've seen. The range begins with a 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 187 horsepower, which is familiar from other Volkswagen goods, followed by a 2.0-liter engine with 245 horsepower, which is also familiar from other VW products. Number 2. Cupra Ateca. The Ateca was instrumental in launching Cupra's product line, and while it is still built on a seat, its sportier design and excellent performance assist to distinguish it from more sensible siblings. The Ateca is powered by a 2.0-liter petrol engine that produces 296 horsepower and can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds. Despite its compact size, the Ateca is an incredible practical vehicle, offering lots of passenger space as well as spacious trunk, making it an excellent family vehicle for individuals who do not want to forego a pleasurable driving experience for convenience. In the same way that Fiat and Citroën have sub-brands for special models and derivatives, an Arbeth 595, for example, is a Fiat 500, Seat decided a few years ago to develop Cupra for its high-performance vehicles. The Ateca was the first car to bear the Cupra emblem, and it made an immediate impression on the automotive world. A 296 bhp 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine, a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive enabled it to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in only 4.9 seconds and reach top speeds of 153 miles per hour in just a few short seconds. It completely changed our expectations of what kind of performance we could anticipate from an affordable sports SUV. Number 1. Cupra Born, coming soon. Cupra's first electric vehicle, the Born, will appear in showrooms at the start of 2022 and is considered to be the brand's most important vehicle to date. The Born, which is based on the same chassis as the Volkswagen ID.3, boasts a very large cabin, the latest in technology, and an electric range of up to 335 miles, according to the manufacturer. A slew of sporty modifications should make it more engaging to drive than its siblings, and the price will be released before the end of the year, according to a company spokesperson. Cupra claims that the largest battery can be charged to 62 miles of range in 7 minutes using a 125 kilowatt charger, while a 5 to 80% charge from a 125 kilowatt fast charger takes 35 minutes. Cupra claims that the largest battery can be charged to 62 miles of range in 7 minutes using a 125 kilowatt charger. A bespoke Cupra branded domestic wall box is also available for use at home and can be operated via the company's new easy charging smartphone app, which is available now. The Born has nearly the same dimensions as the MEB-based ID.3, measuring 4,322mm long, 1,809mm wide, and 1,537mm height, with a wheelbase of 2,767mm. It is powered by a 1.6-liter inline-4 engine. The bright LED headlamps and pointed front end, which Cupra likens to the nose of a shark, distinguish it as the more blatantly performance-oriented type, according to Cupra. The Cupra Born's design has a lot of different aspects, Cupra design director Jorge Diz stated. The car's exterior has been sharpened, while the inside has been updated to reflect the modernity of its advanced electric powertrain. It exudes a distinct Cupra personality with a combination of flowing surfaces and technical elements that emphasizes agility and performance. In addition, the car is equipped with bespoke larger tires, 215mm as standard, but alternatively available in 235mm configuration that provides improved grip and stability. A variety of alloy wheels ranging in diameter from 18 to 20 inches are equipped in them. Thanks for watching! What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.